Let's quickly review the website maintenance checklist for your WordPress website. This is what you'll be working through on a daily, monthly, quarterly, and even annual basis to make sure your site stays happy and healthy. So on a daily basis, you're going to just really confirm your website is loading correctly on desktop and mobile. Um, Make sure any form submissions or contacts or booking links are working and available. Um, Check the blog comments for spam or comments that need approval to go on the website. Look for unusual traffic patterns. Spikes in traffic could indicate it's nefarious activity that you want to be on the lookout for. Any errors that you see on the site that have happened over the last 24 hours. And if it's e-commerce, check your recent orders and make sure your stock levels are up to date on your site. On a monthly basis, you're going to want to make sure you're up to date with your WordPress core. Uh, if it's available, you'll want to make sure you do that update your plugins, your themes, do a full backup of your site, or make sure that your automated backups are running. Test your forms, your email notifications, do some pruning, get rid of any unused plugins and themes that you aren't utilizing anymore. Check for broken links on the site. If something is erroring out when it's clicked on, make sure you update it to a correct link or remove it. Optimize your database, just some cleanup there to make sure everything is running as fast as possible. On a quarterly basis, you're going to want to rotate your admin and editor passwords just to make sure if they've been compromised by ne'er-do-wells that you block them at least on a quarterly basis from access they've gained to your system. Check user accounts, make sure everyone that has an account still needs the account, make sure the permissions are appropriate for those accounts. You don't want to make everyone an admin on the site if they don't have to be. Do a refresh on your homepage or your blog as needed at this point. If you're wanting to change the look and feel or add some new content, now's a good time to do it. Check your analytics, your traffic, your bounce rate, any conversions in analytics to make sure everything is behaving as you'd like or moving in the direction that you want it to. Make sure your site is loading quickly. Use GTmetrix or Google PageSpeed to find out how it's performing on desktop and mobile. Look for any malware or other vulnerabilities that you need to patch on the site. Make sure those are up to date. And then on a yearly basis, make sure your domain and hosting is good to go for the upcoming year. Update your copyright in your footer. This is a small but legally good idea to do. Check your privacy policy and your contact details on your site to make sure they're all current, and then audit your goals for the site. Make sure it's still aligned with the direction you're going in with your business, with your site, with who you want to engage with on the website. All of these will have links to quick demonstrations of how to do them. If you have questions, feel free to post in the comments below. I respond to all comments with my answers or direction to where you can get more information on this. If this is helpful, like and subscribe so that you will get all of the future videos in this series to help you keep your WordPress website happy, healthy, and performing nicely for your audience.